video at one point where he was testing out this really cool submarine. Yep, it was a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine. Submarine, submarine, submarine. Oh, I'm sorry, maybe the camera is going to make everybody puke in a second. But for now, we're going to try to aim it this way so that the sun doesn't get to it and that we can get DJI up and running. Again, this is something that I could only attempt with DJI because I don't really trust any other vehicle at this point as much as I do this one. It is the one, the only DJI Mini 2, and it is, as they say, absolutely epic. It is. And it's the only machine that I would ever trust to do something so dangerous and crazy. So anyway, let me just put in the thing here, because it's hard to explain when it's not showing anything at all. Here we go. Here we go. DJI, go fly. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go fly. Let's go fly. Again, kids, never try any of this stuff that I do. It is absolutely ludicrous. Ludicrous would be the name of the game. The name of the game is ludicrous. Anyway, let's get up there and see what happens. You press the button so that it might fly. This could go terribly wrong. It could, but we don't want it to. So I'm going to use a special layer of safety, which is... Whoa, buddy! Look at that. That is amazing. That is amazing. Only DJI can do something this cool. Only DJI can make the dreams of this amazing little guy true. Look, he can fly over cars. He's just like Superman. Except he's super robot. Super robot. Okay, so anyway, let's put him down real quick, and then we're going to change the position of the camera so you guys can see where I'm going to fly. It's not going to be very far. Oh, you know what? We could just do a shot. Oh, that would be cool. We could put the camera here on the RC truck. Let's see if that works. I don't know if it will. Would that work? No, it wouldn't. It might work this way. Can't really tell. It's hard to do this. It's Roby One Kenobi flying. Roby One Kenobi. And he's going to be able to see the orange balloon from the sky. We won't go too high up. Oh, Roby. Oh, Roby One. Look at you fly like a balloon up in the sky. So sparkly with your eyes. Anyhow, let's bring Roby One Kenobi down. He's coming down for a very smooth landing. Oh, Roby One. Oh, look, Roby. Don't worry about this. This package is nothing compared to how incredibly heavy the other package that I had him carry earlier, which is why the motors are not even hot or bothered at all. We're going to cancel that landing so you guys can see Roby. He's living his American dream. He always wanted to fly. Look at him. Look at him. Anyway, let's put him down real quick. Let's do the landing that I was supposed to do. Land! Land, brah! You have to shift the drone a little bit so that it doesn't land directly on top. There we go. I'm not sure if you guys got to see anything, but I hope that you did because it was really fun. Roby One Kenobi was up away, and he was looking over there, obviously. He was looking over there where that huge pumpkin is, over there.